I'm filming for YouTube. Is it okay to put you on?
Oh, sure. I want to get on YouTube.
You say no?
I said all good.
It's okay. Okay.
YouTube?
Well, you're being filmed right now. Let me show. The beginning of my day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
And this is it right here. This is where I set up this morning. Hey, Bobby. You want to... How about these cars? I'll do you 80 bucks for every small car, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Must be 10 or 12 boxes of cars. They're not Hot Wheels, they're not Matchbox. They're all like collectible store cars.
Right. Yeah, I'm kind of looking, when I look for cars, I look for like red line.
Yeah, I don't have any of that.
Or they just sit, they come from your basement and sit in mine. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Day of the day.
Yeah. I was going through my closet and like I got shit. I just gotta try to get rid of some stuff. Forgot I had it, so I was like, let me wear it. It kills me to have to pay $35 for this, but you know.
Let me see.
It was the Walmart exclusive.
I would never know that was worth $35.
Well, no, I just bought it off the dude. He had 3 of them last week. He said he had 1 more, so he brought it for me.
Wow.
So they sell on eBay for $50. But what it was is, it was only released on Walmart.com. And once they released the first batch, they never did it again. And they said they're gone. So every time you see it, and it's an army builder figure. So why would they do that with an army builder?
Economy. When was it? When did it come out?
Probably about 1.5 years ago.
I was just listening to Toy Federation. Well, maybe that doesn't count.
Yeah.
The Toy Federation was saying that like everything released during Corona when everybody had money.
This was right towards the end.
It's not valuable, but everything that's released today,
it's
going to be really, there's short runs.
And then right before Corona, stuff right before Corona is like through the roof.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people that cashed out on the comic book boom.
Yeah, I
remember when Corona first started and people were on Whatnot were selling dollar comic books for $100.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
I know I cashed out on it, but I also kept too much.
Yeah.
I kept a lot of 60s Spider-Man that I should have sold.
Always keep Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Always. Yeah. I don't care what anybody says. I have Spider-Man 2, I have Spider-Man 5, and I got it all out here.
Wow.
Over the past 20 years. I will never get rid of a Spider-Man.
I think the earliest I got is 6 or 7.
Copies at 300.
Wow.
And the one book I never bought that I found out here, you can ask Todd, you can ask fucking Shane. About 6, 7, 8, 10 years ago, we would find the first Deadpool out here every day.
Really?
For $1. We never bought it because we didn't care.
Right, yeah.
Now it's like Deadpool from mainstream, and it's like, we think, one time we found a box of 20 of them.
Yeah.
And we never bought it.
Oh.
I've
got 2 of them.
Yeah, I got a couple that I did get, but the one book that still eludes me is Werewolf by Night 32.
I had that, and I sold it, and I'm glad I did. Is it still valuable?
It spiked during the show, but since they didn't pick up the show, it died down. But since in the new Daredevil, in the new Deadpool movie 3 with Wolverine, he apparently has a cameo, and he's mentioned. So once the movie drops, it's going to shoot up.
I sold it for $400 2 years before the show came out. I don't know what it's worth now.
About, depends on the condition.
Well, mine was like a 7.
About 600, 700.
All right.
If you get it graded, maybe you'll get 8 out of it. But it's one of those.
Long time no see.
I'm giving that stuff away too.
Give me selling the stuff for.
No, give me $10 for that, and the stuff I tried to give you yesterday. Give me no for that and this. Give me. Wait a minute. I'm gonna give you more. I just want to get rid of it. Yeah, go ahead.
I'll put it in the cart. Thank you.
3, Mike. Give me a deal.
Well, $3 a piece. $3 a piece. No discount for you at that price. Forget it, buddy. Alright, thank you.
Oh, Mike, thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Have a good one. Wait a minute, $3 a piece. You gave me 6.
Oh my goodness. What did I owe you then?
9.
9, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry.
Thank you.
I was thinking I had 2.
No problem.
Got me on film?
I do.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna play it. Don't worry. You're right. I said $2 each, and then I forgot.
No problem.
So I owe you $2. My mistake,
$3.
not yours. I owe you $3. Boy.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry. See, now I'm gonna play it.
Got 3, Mike.
All right. $6. Just showing these.
All right, man. I got $5 worth for you here.
Let's see what
There's a
price
big
you got.
magnifying glass.
Hey, all the comic books that don't have prices are $2. All the jewelry's $1.
I'm
You got
gonna see
5
if
of them? All right. Where are you going to be?
Comic-Con every year.
You go to San Diego Comic-Con? Yeah. Wow. All right.
Every year.
$5.
Maybe.
How long have you been coming to this market?
I don't know. 30, 50, 35 years.
Okay. Wow, that's a long time. 58, 60, 62, 64.
I got one no one's got.
Just give me $60.
Not much of a deal.
Not much of a deal.
Not much of a deal. You feel me
What is
on
it?
YouTube. You know, 150 is a whole lot better.
Oh, not for me.
Not for me.
These are $4 a piece. You're getting half price. And they're already bagged. They don't come bagged at the store.
About 50. I'm going to rebag them anyway.
$60.
It's just collecting.
60.
You're killing
If
me.
you're in it to make money, that's cool. If you collect them, then
Killing me.
I can't.
We're going to get it back on another end. Like
It's
day anyway.
Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man. But it's new Spider-Man.
Yeah.
It's old stuff.
Well, you know this stuff is far more rare than anything from the 70s or the 80s.
Right.
Yeah, because the limited production. I'm not kidding about that.
no good.
I may have to sit back
Take care.
and be a
Yeah, right.
I might have to get rid of about 10 of
Take
them.
care.
Just give me 55 then.
Like you want to give me your.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me help this guy out.
They're cooking, Mike. You gotta get a hat.
He's making threats. He threatened to put a few comic books back. I know, it's terrible.
I'll break his leg.
It's a crime. It's
I
a
know.
crime.
I know where he parks
You
right
need
next
to-
to me. I'll take care of it for you.
You need to stay here and be my muscle.
No problem.
All right, thanks, guys. Hey, got a lot more cars over here, and they're all $1. Tell you what, if you want, I'll sell you all the cars for $50. You got a lot of you got a Hot Wheels shirt. There's almost no Hot Wheels. These are all like
Yeah, I seen like Matchbox.
hobby shop
Hobby
cars.
Shop, yeah. I mean, I'm looking for a particular one, but I ain't found it.
Let me guess, Ferrari. Everybody wants a Ferrari
Yeah, no.
and Volkswagens.
I got an '83 C10, so I'm looking for the silver one.
All right.
But I mean, I could buy it online, but what fun is that?
Yeah.
I'd rather go out and. I found 4 of them 3 weeks ago, but the condition is like, the condition. I didn't think it was too bad for $1, but
Yeah.
I've seen them for $1, and they're like, all the paint's gone, like the insignia on the side.
Yeah.
I know what it is, but you can't even read it. It's not even legible. So.
I agree with you about the buying. I've got toys that are worth hundreds of dollars that I paid $10 for,
Yeah.
and then I got like a Godzilla I paid $500 for from when I was a kid,
Right.
and I don't like it as much as the one I paid $10
Yeah.
for. It wasn't a Godzilla, but it was still an equal value toy.
Sure.
Because I found it in the wild, you know.
Yeah.
I just like it more because
I like it more when I find it out, like,
It's the hunt.
I-
They're all $5. I'll tell you what, if you buy a bunch, I'll give you a deal. I'll tell you what, if you buy more than 2, I'll do $3 a piece.
Someone cleared you out, huh?
Yeah.
Last time I saw you, you had a ton of books, including Slab. You did a big deal. I don't know if you remember me, but
I think some of them are probably just back at home right now.
Yeah.
And it's 27. Hey, I'm filming for YouTube. Is it okay to put you on?
Oh, sure. I want to get on YouTube. I want to
Say no?
I said, oh, good.
It's okay, okay.
YouTube?
Well, you're being filmed right now. Let me show. You're on YouTube. Here. Show them the comics you got.
I didn't get these. I got the Funkos.
Oh.
I'm a Funko collector.
He's a Funko? Oh, show him the Funkos you got. Let me see. All right, so I owe you 27, 28, 29.
Oh, Stan Lee. How do you not know Stan Lee? I thought you liked him. How do you not know Stan Lee? He's the hero of mine.
Be nice.
What?
You're going to be in What? Be nice to your dad. Who just bought you all this stuff.
Anyway,
I'll see you.
have a good one, guys. And that's it for today.
Hi, will you be using your mobile app today?
Might be big. I don't know. He knows I like anticipation.
Anyway, this is Delco Resale. I buy toys, comics, and video games. Live in the Delaware Valley area. Contact me at the information in the description. Thanks.